While you can always purchase ground coffee, the best coffee grinders will make it easy to grind your own beans at home for a fresh and delicious cup each morning. Grind quality makes a big difference when brewing coffee, so much so that many coffee professionals suggest focusing on a good grinder over other coffee equipment, shares Peter Giuliano, Chief Research Officer for the Specialty Coffee Association and Executive Director of the Coffee Science Foundation. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 coffee grinders on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Krups Silent Vortex Coffee and Spice Grinder. If you're new to coffee bean grinding or just don't want to invest much, this Krups pick is the best coffee grinder to consider. Petite in size, this electric option is a space-saving design that's easy to use. The instruction manual is pretty basic, which isn't surprising given that there's only one button on the gadget. This is a blade grinder, which typically produces less consistent coffee grounds than a burr grinder. One benefit of the simple mechanisms means this choice is straightforward to clean. The bowl can be washed in the sink or dishwasher, the machine can get wiped down with a damp cloth, and it'll look brand new in minutes. Simple and effective, this budget-friendly pick is a great option to save on costs, and it's portable enough that it could get packed to take, or leave, at a vacation home. Number 2. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. With this coffee grinder by OXO, you can fill this appliance with a bag of coffee beans and grind your desired amount every morning. The 12-ounce grinder has a larger capacity than other picks, so it's the best coffee grinder for those with multiple coffee drinkers at home or if you just need more than one cup in the morning. This machine appeared well designed, was easy to use, and it produced consistent grinds. There are 15 grind settings, but note that the settings are on a knob. There are also micro-setting demarcations, making it simple to customize your coffee grinding experience. It took a few tries to understand the controls, but once we understood the settings and how the unit worked, the grind was highly consistent. And while it did make a loud sound, we didn't feel that it would be highly disruptive if others were sleeping while it was in use. Number 3. Bodum Bistro Burr Coffee Grinder. We were impressed with this Bodum model right out of the box, making it the best coffee grinder we tested. This electric coffee grinder features 2 stainless steel conical burrs that effortlessly crush your coffee beans rather than slicing them. The sleek stainless steel and glass coffee grinder looks attractive on any countertop, and the instruction manual was very clear, easy to follow, and a cinch to set up. Our lab testing confirmed this as each setting had a consistent grind. To use this pick, you simply load the coffee into the attractive glass catcher and then use the push button control. This coffee grinder has a preset timer, so you can grind the coffee you need and have it ready to go to put in your coffee machine. Not only does this prevent waste, but it also helps maintain your new beans' freshness. Number 4. Krups Precision Flat Burr Grinder. If you've never used a coffee grinder before, this Krups pick is the best coffee grinder to start with. In our tests, it performed exceptionally well and ground each level of coffee to match our control grounds. Plus, a detailed user manual with clear instructions and illustrations makes for a simple setup process. Large and sleek, we like that this appliance is more prominent than many others. The coffee bean hopper at the top can hold up to 8 ounces of whole bean coffee, and a removable grounds container can hold grinds for 30 to 32 cups of coffee. In addition to 12 grind settings, you can also customize your quantity from 2 to 12 cups thanks to an automatic stop feature. The only drawback to this machine is the dial for the grind size is on the side of the appliance and can be hard to access, depending on how you store your grinder. Number 5. Breville Smart Grinder Pro. The Breville Smart Grinder Pro coffee bean grinder is certainly an investment, but the 60 settings and 18-ounce capacity certainly warrant the investment. Upon setup, this device comes with an 18-page user manual to help guide you through all of the options, but a simple coffee chart was much easier to follow and proved to be quite helpful. A backlit LCD screen is useful in making the settings clear to see. While this coffee grinder boasts many features, our testers were overwhelmed by the options and didn't find all of them to be user-friendly, so this isn't the best coffee grinder for beginners or those with less technology experience. Once the coffee was ground, the results were comparable to our controls, but we found it difficult to pour the freshly ground coffee beans out of the storage container. Product details: type, burr. Dimensions, 8.5 by 15.5 by 6 inches. Capacity, 18 ounces. Grind settings, 6. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.